Thank you for joining us once again on Crooked Mustache. Today we are coming from inside the studio where I have forgotten to do an intro in the garage. My bad. What are we working on today? Today we are pulling the engine, our bad engine from Sharkbait, our blue Jeep Liberty. We're pulling our good engine from the silver donor car. Stay tuned. By the way, also, speaking of the silver Jeep, we did actually drive it. Basically to verify that the engine worked and that the thing drove in a straight line because we wanted the wheels. So go back and check out that episode. That's episode 2 of this series. I'll be right here. So as I said, we're doing 2 engine pulls today. It's going to focus a lot on time lapse. We're putting together our engine lift to do the 2 pulls. If you want a more comprehensive breakdown over what's needed to take an engine to pull the Jeep Liberty engine on the KJs 04 to 07 to be specific. 02 and 03 may be slightly different. I am going to be putting out a video for that specifically to help all you guys out there hopefully avoid on any of the issues that I ran into. Moving on with that, we are going to go straight into the garage where we are unboxing our engine lift and getting started. It's going to be a lot of time lapse today, so please enjoy. It is their Diehard engine hoist. And unfortunately, I couldn't get the matching engine leveler. I had to get it from TEQ, and that is also from Advanced Auto Parts, and the link will be in the description below. They do come in 2 boxes, so I pretty much think all engine hoists that are collapsible are pretty much the same. They all have the same general design. So pretty much we're going to time lapse through this build. Load leveler comes as it is. It just hangs on the actual hook of the cherry picker. It's gonna do what I need it to do. I'll put a link in the description for this exact tool from Advanced Auto Parts. So the plan is, since we're gonna sell this as a junker, I'm just gonna basically pick up the other block and drop it in there, and you know, the junkyard can do with it what it wants. Well, everybody, thank you for watching, for joining us on this episode. It was a lot of work, a lot of grinding just to get to this point. And I know for this video it was a lot more time lapse than I would have liked to, but it just became such a grind, pulling the engine on Sharkbait, pulling the engine on. There's a lot of things you could run into, especially if this is your only vehicle and you have that crunch for a timetable. So that's going to be in another episode coming up. On the next episode, we're going to be cleaning up the engine, transferring everything from the silver engine to the blue engine. The 05 was drive-by cable, the silver one. The blue one is an 07, that's drive-by-wire, so we're going to have to convert everything over that's required for the drive-by-wire system. That's going to be in the episode, and I'm going to be explaining the intricacies of that in our engine conversion episode that we're going to be doing. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you like what we're doing, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to continue seeing our content, subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any time we post a new video. And as always, I'm Alfred for Crooked Mustache. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Dale.